But before we get to this, we got to put a pin in what's going on in Europe. We got to talk about what's going on in the United States. We'll come back to Europe a little bit later on. When the war begins, the Americans say to themselves and outwardly to the world, we are neutral in this conflict. This is not our war to fight. There's a group of people that have been clamoring for this for some time. A group of people who say, stay out of these kind of world affairs. Who am I referring to? The isolationists say, this is Europe's war. Let them fight it. Now, if it's Europe's war, we don't have to be involved. This is their affair. Let them do what they do. As the Europeans are really good at one thing. Killing each other. What do you know? It's been 100 years, but they're back at it. The isolationists say if they want to go ahead and commit their own continent-wide suicide, be my guest. In fact, if you guys are hell-bent on going to war, this provides us with an opportunity. You need the tools of war. We're one of the biggest industrial powers on the planet. If you want to go to war, fine. You're going to need the tools to fight the war. If you want to buy American weaponry, we'll be happy to sell it to you. We become the biggest arms supplier in the world. We're going to go ahead and sell weaponry to both sides. If they want to go to war, fine. War you shall have. But both sides are a bit low on cash. They need to borrow some money. As if there's a massive industrial power willing to loan them money. We're going to loan money to both sides to buy American weapons. If you guys want to have a war, be my guests. All we are doing is simply providing you with the tools that you ask for. So let me say this. Based on this, are we completely out of this war? Do we have a foot in this war? Sure, but we're not sending troops. This is Europe's war, for now.